Hey Lance, it's Chris. So way easier to show you than to try to explain in words. So when I started doing the overhead squats back in my CrossFit days, I couldn't do them at all either. And you know that what happens is you end up kind of doing this, and you can't hold it. So I would do the some what we call dislocates with the towel, pretty wide grip, and I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. Maybe do 10. That's good, okay? And then you can do the door stretch. You're probably already doing this when you do bench or something. And you hold it though. Hold it for like 15 seconds. And then the other side, you hold for 15 seconds. Something like that. You might even do that before the towel. Doesn't really matter. And then of course, if you've got a rack that's fairly wide, you can do, the double. This is a narrow door, so it's not perfect. And then I go back to your towel and just overhead squat with the towel, and again, so if it wants to move forward, just try to push your shoulders back, push them back, get to the bottom, hang out, back up, push them back. Okay, sort of like that. And then you want to grab a broomstick. I don't have one here, but I have this old hockey stick. Canada won the World Championships with this in 1961. So it's an awesome stick from the Trail Smoke Eaters. Again, wide grip. And I'm going to overhead squat. Just do the best you can. If it starts to want to go forward, doesn't matter, get to the bottom anyway. Try to push it back. Okay, once you've got that, you can work up to a bar. Now, this is a 7 kilo bar, 15 pounds. So it'd be great if you're in a gym and you can get your hands on a light bar, lighter than the 45. Take a very wide grip and just descend as far as you can. Make sure your stance is fairly open, your feet are pointed out. So you just sit in the bottom. As that gets better, bring your grip in a little bit. Down you go. Do 10 or whatever you can. And only then would you go to the heavy bar, the 45 pound bar. And again, take your widest grip. So assume this is the 45 pound bar. And look, if you can only get to here, go to here. Do your reps to here. You'll probably loosen up and you'll get an extra centimeter. And over a few weeks, you'll get to the bottom and away you go. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. I'll see you again.